Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your monitor and GPU actually support higher timings, and you prepare tools, CRU or your GPU control panel. Once you have a display port or full bandwidth HDMI cable, backup edit and driver settings, this protects you from accidental bad configs. Next, run the custom resolution utility or the vendor tool as administrator, because you will add a new refresh rate. Make sure you note current timings. Then proceed to create a conservative new profile as the first actionable step. You now create a new refresh rate entry, set it to 165 Hz, and choose reduced blanking timing. That reduces pixel clock and increases success odds. If the 165 entry fails, add incremental steps, 150, 155, 160, because smaller jumps reveal the stable ceiling. Once entries are saved, apply them and restart the graphics driver or reboot, because many drivers only accept custom modes at boot. After restart, go into Windows Display Set. You finish by validating stability. Run a motion test like the UFO test and play a game capped at 165 FPS to check for stutter or tearing. If you see artifacts, black screens, or frame drops, lower the refresh rate by 1 to 5 Hz or try changing timing from reduced blanking to automatic. Small timing tweaks often fix instability. Make sure to keep your edit backup handy, and if worst comes to worst, boot safe mode to remove the profile and restore the original display settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.